Hey there friends, welcome back to the channel, Creating with Sarah. So today's video I have for you a Simply Gilded haul. This is from her Gold Friday sale. So if you guys want to check out what's inside, then keep on watching. And today I have to share with you the Simply Gilded Gold Friday items. I have two orders here, two separate orders, and I thought I would just combine them. So in this one, I have all the albums that I just went crazy over. When she does like a 30% off, take advantage of her albums, and I use her albums for organizing stickers and other projects, but that's mainly what's in here. And then I bought some stickers. So we'll go ahead and dive right in. Just take everything out. Okay, so here are the beautiful albums, and I picked up a couple because I do have a set, and I needed the other, well, I needed to complete a set, and I wanted to grab the other pair. And then also, I have the Christmas albums that are in the gold and the peppermint interior stripes. So I wanted to get a pair for like fall and reorganize those. So I did pick up the silver, and what was great about these, they were already on a good sale. So they were on a clearance, and then it was 30% off of that. So these were really, really inexpensive. And so these are in the silver. So I have the mini and the large. And then this one, which is like, I think called the Moonstone, sold out so fast. I sort of had my cart set up, but this one sold out really fast in the large. So I decided to get the photo, which is her new size. It's a 4x6 standard photo album. And so I was like, you know what, I'll go ahead and just snag it because I have the mini. I have this size in the moon, and I wanted to get the large, but it sold out really fast. So here's the silver set. This is the Moonstone in the 4x6, which is a complete new size. This is like my very first one. And then this is Spellbound with black hardware. This came out in her Halloween release haul. This is so pretty. And of course, I don't have any of the larger ones. I really wanted to see what this was like in person, and it was just really pretty. And what I like about these also is that I can take these with me on the go. And so if I'm going on a trip, if I'm going to meet some girlfriends and we're doing planning or on a conference or something like that, or scrapbooking, I can take this and organize everything in it. It's just so cute. So I got the Spellbound, and it makes me want to get, again, I don't know why I keep doing this, but now this is the one that doesn't have a set, and the rest of these I've completed my set. Now I have this photo album size, and not the larger one, but that, I think that'll be fine. I think I can make that work. Then I picked up this one, which I bought the summer box, like the limited edition. She has been, this year, she's been putting out like these limited edition seasonal boxes. So she curated a summer one, and it came with the large album that goes to this tie-dye one. So I did get the mini. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off of all these. So this is what the silver looks like without the packaging. It is super metallic. It has silver hardware, and they have like this plastic film on the hardware so they don't get scratched. So don't forget to remove that film off the hardware. But this is so pretty, and you can tell how big the large is compared to the photo album. This is a 4x6. Large is 7x5 with 20 clear pockets. They all have 20 clear organizing pocket sheets. The Moonstone is so pretty. This one was so popular. So I do have the mini again, I just don't have the large. Inside this silver is the same. It's that metallic silver color. The Moonstone is the same. These do have D-rings on the bottom. to put a planner charm. She does sell planner charms. I love the scallop pocket on the side. So I'm hoping this will be okay because I think I do prefer the large. I don't know if she'll restock these. This wasn't part of like her Black Friday. I think she wanted to put this out early so that way the shipping, you could get it in time before the holidays. I believe that's what she was saying on her live. So I don't know if she's still going to have some sort of Black Friday. I'm not really sure. I think this was supposed to be her Black Friday. So I don't know if she's going to be doing any more restocking of things that were sold out for her Gold Friday. This was called her Gold Friday sale, which everything was 30% off. So here's the tie-dye. The inside of the tie-dye is a blue color. It's like a bright aqua blue. It's really pretty. And those are the minis. And then here's the Spellbound. It's really cool. I love like this oil slick sort of illusion and the gradient tones, like the beautiful rainbow gradient. It's so pretty. And then this one's black hardware. The inside's the same. I love that. It has like, you can see the black trimming, the stitch on the outside. This one also, this one actually came in a set too. Like normally what I would like to do is buy them in a set like this one. I don't think this one came in a set actually. I think I bought it individually because normally I do buy it in a set and I think you get a bow with it, like a little bow charm, but she does sell those separate. So I went all album. I got all of these albums. They're really great quality. They're so pretty. I love all of them, but I'm really happy with that. And then I picked up some washi, and then during this sale, she offered a freebie. So I actually got 2 of the washi freebies because I did 2 separate orders. So I only picked up 2 washis with the albums, and I got a free washi, which is the same one. It's like in the pink and purple. I'll swatch those in a second. And then in here, I think it was a bonus. Yeah. So I got the Gold Friday freebie sticker kits and a lot of samples. Oh, cute. So let's open this. Okay, so this is called Moondrop. The sticker kit. Oh my gosh, it has hollow overlay. It's so pretty. And then you have the days of the week. You have some deco. You have some full decorative boxes. You have like these divider washi strips, icon flags, and then some more decorative boxes. This is really pretty. So that's one sheet. And then here's the second one. It's the same Moondrop collection, the days in the week, and just in a different color tone. So that was nice. And then we also got the clear decorative stickers of the moonstones. That's pretty. Oh, and then another sticker sheet. This is a mini one. So half boxes and a full box sticker down here with some extra tiny deco. And then we have some heart icons. These are like foiled, like a prism foiled. Those are neat. And then some more height icons. This must have been like a whole kit. I must have missed this when she did this release. This is really pretty. And then here's a deco sheet. Fairy Tale Jasper. It's like a moon with florals. It's got like that prism, or I think she calls it like a bubble overlay. I feel like it's more of like a glitter overlay. It's neat. You have to catch it in the light. And then she has some other stickers like the bows with it. And then a bunch of freebies. So these are, I guess, these past year little sampler freebies. So we have like a 4th of July or Veterans Day, Memorial Day, sticker sampler. We have the sushi one. We have this plaid one that says cozy. Could use that one for fall. This one here, this one's cute. This one you could use for winter or maybe spring. And then a birthday one. This is cute. This birthday sampler. So that was really nice of her to give us all those freebies and washi. So the two washi that I just picked up was the Christmas lights one that I talked about. It's the green one, and then the snow globe. So I'll go ahead and open these up, but I'll do a swatch at the end of the video. Okay, so here's the snow globe. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. It's got little snow globes of a carousel, a Christmas tree, a sleigh, a gingerbread house, and it just repeats itself. And it has like these gold foiling stars, and it's on that beautiful Christmas plaid. It's really pretty. That's such a cute one. So easy to do a spread with and just have some functional stickers to go with that. I did get the stickers that go with this collection. So here's the Christmas lights one. This was called Vintage Christmas Lights. And it's super cute. I love that the lights have like little hearts, like the bulbs. It's really hard to see though. The green, I don't know if this one on sale. Yeah, so this one was on a discount because I think that you lose the green color and you can only see like the red tone on the lights. That's unfortunate, but at least, you know, she gave a little discount. Yeah, you lose that green. We'll swatch it on paper and see how it shows up. And then this was the freebie. I forget what this was called. I know this was like a release that actually she just did a collection with this. It's really pretty. I love the pink mauve tones with the rose gold, or it's like a pinky color foil. It's really pretty. So I'm gonna have to save this and maybe do a little giveaway or something since I have two. So that was the washi, and then the second order I decided because I knew this was going to be a little bit more because of the albums being shipped, and so the shipping was going to be a little higher because of the weight, so I decided to do stickers in another order. I picked up, well, the freebies was the washi. I got a journaling card, which usually you always get a journaling card and a little sampler, and this time I got two. So I got the little Christmas one. I do have this one already, which is great because I do love the plaid, the traditional colors. And then I got this one. It's a little teddy bear on a little cloud. It says Sweet Dreams. Super cute. And I love that they came in these envelopes. Those envelopes are the best. Okay, so for sticker sheets, I got Baby It's Cold Outside. Really cute. I'm loving her deco sheets. Vintage Christmas Blush. Winter Juniper. This one, the foiling finish is fantastic. It's like super thick. Like not the sticker, but just the outline of it. I don't know. It looks, the finishing looks great. I really wish there was like a cute set with the sticker, I think the sticker kit, and then she had like some washi trio. I really wish I would have got that because these stickers look so good in person. Oh, I got another one of the fairy tale. And here's Vintage Christmas. So cute. I love it. And then I did go ahead and pick up, I already have these, but I wanted a backup for fall. So I have Fall Jasper and Cozy Night In because these are so cute. Really easy to put a spread together, especially in the Daily Petite EC planner. Okay, so I got one sticker kit. I wanted to get more, but of course I bought a bunch of the albums because these were on a really good deal. They were 50% off all sticker kits. So I think they were around $9 or $8. And I got vintage Christmas. This is such a pretty Christmas set. I love the red and green, all the traditional colors. So we have like the full decorative boxes. And with these stickers, yes, you do have to use some type of permanent marker, because if you don't, it will smear. But also you can overlay some of these stickers with a paper sticker and then write in your plans. So those are the decorative stickers, and then you have like your headers or your dividers here. Then we have another sheet with headers that say family, gratitude, work, some flags, half boxes, no, quarter boxes, some more dividers, some decorative half boxes here. And again, with these, because they're solid colors, instead of writing on them, you can find another paper sticker to overlay that, or just like, you don't have to put it completely on the sticker, but just do like an overlapping effect. That makes sense in your plans if you don't want to use like a permanent marker. So these are so pretty. The print came out really well. You have a bunch of flags here. These are great for your daily sheets or any type of productivity planner page that you may use. You want to check some things off, make it fun, make it decorative. That holiday touch. You have some longer flags here, plaid ones, some icons, cute deco, and then some bows. Then we have the days of the week, and I love that this is in a great print so you can see it very clearly. The foiling is great. You can actually see it really well here as well. I think she sized it up more because that looks really good. And then the headers here, you have meeting, appointment, and you can read these. So I think she did some tweaking. They look great. Okay, and then, is this the same one that I started with? The last decorative? No. So yeah, you get 4 sheets. Super cute. Of course, I don't know if she's gonna do another sale, like an actual Black Friday sale. We shall see, because these sticker kits are addicting. They're so cute. Here's the washi swatched out on paper, and the green bulbs do show up a little bit on white paper, but it's still hard to, it's easy to miss because it's on green background, but nonetheless, it's Christmas theme, it's pretty, it'll work. But yeah, so that was my fun little haul from the Gold Friday sale. I really wanted to take advantage of the albums here, and stay tuned for a video. We're gonna sit down and do some organizing and stickers to go in here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Let me know if you picked up anything from the Simply Gilded Gold Friday sale. I just love her stickers. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful November, and I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.